Hey everybody, welcome to RACZ Barbecue and Grill. My name is Rich. Today we're going to be doing pork shots on the smoker, stuffed with cream cheese. It's going to be delicious. So stick around and let's get cooking. Alright guys, today we're going to make smoked cream cheese stuffed pork shots. We're going to slice some sausage in about a ½ inch, wrap it with bacon, makes a little shot glass, fill it with a cream cheese jalapeno mixture. Throw them on the smoker that I have warming up right now at 275. Give them about 90 minutes to an hour to that bacon crisp up nice. And then we're done. So we'll get started. Today I'm using a garlic roasted sausage that we got from Costco. It's got a lot of good flavor into it, so you can use anything you want. Just get the cooked sausage. If you get anything that's not cooked, it's gonna fall apart. It's gonna not cook properly along with the bacon. So make sure you get yourself some pre-cooked sausage. You're gonna want to cut these at about a ½ inch thick. Try to keep the bottoms as straight as possible so they don't roll around on you. Doesn't have to be perfect. This recipe will make you about 24 pork shots with a pound of bacon. It's usually got about 12 slices per pound per package. So we'll just do one for now. Then you want to get a pound of thick sliced bacon. I make my own bacon, so we'll be doing a video one of these days on how to do this, but again, you want to use a thick sliced bacon. The thin stuff, it won't hold together. When you wrap the sausage, the cup on it, the walls will be too thin, it'll start collapsing on you and it'll just cause aggravation. So pound of thick sliced bacon, leave it in the package, stuck together, cut it in half because we only need a ½ slice per shot. And then the next thing you want to do is take one of your pieces of sausage, one of your sliced bacons, leave the sausage. The easiest way is to leave the sausage on the cutting board, wrap it around, get yourself a toothpick, just like that. So we got a nice little pork shot, kind of a shot glass that we'll be filling with our cream cheese mixture. So we'll run through, do a couple more of these right now. Again, just wrap it around the sausage, get your toothpick in there, and done. So we'll finish the rest of those up in a minute. Start with the cream cheese mixture. You want to get yourself an 8-ounce block of cream cheese, softened, so let it sit out for a little bit. If you forgot to pull it out before you make these and it's a little bit too firm, you can always take it out of the package and warm it up in the microwave. Get the cream cheese in there. Cream cheese, the jalapenos, get the pickled jalapenos in a jar. They're softer. If you can use regular jalapenos, you'll have to saute them up first. This is just quicker and easier. I've drained this bottle already. We only need about 2 tablespoons worth diced up. You can go more, you can go less, just depends on the level of spice that you like. Just dice those up nice. Okay, we'll add those into our cream cheese mix. ½ cup of shredded cheddar. And then your favorite pork rub. I make my own. There's no salt in this. I have the recipe on my website. I'll link it in the description below. For this, it doesn't matter. There's enough salt in the bacon and the sausage and everything, so we're not adding any more salt. But if you do make this and you use it for your ribs, your pulled pork or anything like that, keep in mind there's no salt in it. I just find that a lot of the rubs have enough salt for a large piece of meat like a pork shoulder, but then if you go to use it on pork chops or something smaller, for me it's a little bit more saltier. So I prefer to salt my meat, let it sit in the refrigerator overnight, and then come back and put the rub on. But anyways, link in the description below for the rub. We're just gonna put about 2 tablespoons into the mixture, and then just give it a good stir, good mix, get everything all mixed up. Man, this already smells good. By the way, I had my beautiful daughter Caitlin running the camera for me today. Okay, so now that we got the mixture all mixed up, next thing you want to do is transfer it to a freezer bag, a Ziploc bag. Okay, get out of that, seal it up. Take the corner of the bag, just cut that corner off, and we'll take our pork shots, mix it down into that corner that we cut, and just like a baker with the frosting, we'll use that to fill each of these shots. Now you want to keep in mind when you're filling this, you don't want to overfill it, because once it starts smoking and cooking, that cheese is going to start rising up and it will overflow. So if you're already full, you're going to make a mess anyways. So let's get them in there like that, and we'll continue on with the rest of these and get them on the smoker. Okay, so we got all these sausages wrapped in bacon and stuffed with our cream cheese mixture. The last thing we're going to do before throwing on the smoker is just give it a light dusting of the barbecue rub. Don't want to go too heavy. We're just adding a little bit of that brown sugar and other spices that are in here for some extra flavor. So like that. These things are already looking beautiful. Alright, now we're going to transfer them to my rack. Okay, now we're going to put them into the smoker. Again, the smoker's running at 275. Send them in there. Come back in about an hour and a half and check on them and see how they look. Alright guys, it's been about an hour and 45 minutes. I checked it at 90 minutes and the bacon still wasn't as crisp as I liked it, so I let it go for another 15 minutes. So we're going to take a look at them, and they're looking good, man. These are going to be awesome. Let's pull these out of here. All right. Yep, so those are looking really good. We're going to let these rest for about 10 minutes, and then we're going to come back out, drizzle them with some barbecue sauce, and give them a try. As we've got these rested for about 10 minutes now, let that cheese cool down a little bit, because you will burn the roof of your mouth if you don't do that. One last step, we're going to add a little bit of barbecue sauce. This is a candied jalapeno barbecue sauce that I make. It's on my website. I'll put the link in the description below for that as well if you guys want to make your own. Otherwise, just grab your favorite sauce. It does not matter, whatever you like. So we're just going to drizzle just a little bit on top of each of these. Nothing too crazy, because there is a little more spice in this sauce, and we already have the jalapenos in the sour cream mixture. So, and the bees bothering me. Just like that. There. Caitlin won't try one of these because she is not a fan of spices, and she'll just tell you guys it's horrible. But trust me, these things are awesome. You're gonna be the hit of the party. We're actually making these for a birthday party for a 15-year-old that we're going to today. So as soon as we get done with the taste test, pack them up and we'll get out of here. So let's give one of these guys a try. pull the toothpick out. I mean, you could pop this whole thing in your mouth, but I'm gonna try and bite in the middle of it so you guys can see the inside of it. Oh, so good. Got that roasted garlic sausage and the cream cheese, bacon, a little hint of jalapeno. It's not over the top hot. These things are awesome. So listen, like and subscribe to the video. We're just starting out, trying to build this channel. That would really help us. I'll put links in the description below for the website with all the recipes, as well as our Facebook page. So if you go over there and follow that, you'll get notifications there as well. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.